Throat Anatomy in 3D, the journey of air and sound. Welcome to Health Science 3D. Curious about how your voice is created and how air travels through your throat? Let's dive into an amazing 3D journey to explore the anatomy of the throat and the path of air and sound inside your body. Your throat is much more than just a tube. It's a complex structure made up of the pharynx and the larynx. The pharynx connects your nose and mouth to your respiratory system, acting as a passageway for both air and food. The larynx, also known as the voice box, is where your unique voice is produced. Watch closely as air enters through your nose or mouth, passes down the pharynx, and moves through the larynx. Inside the larynx are your vocal cords. When you breathe, the vocal cords open up to let air pass freely into your lungs. But when you speak or sing, they come together and vibrate as air flows through, creating sound. The pitch and tone of your voice depend on how tight or loose the vocal cords are, just like the strings of a musical instrument. Another key player is the epiglottis, a small, flexible flap that acts as a protective shield. When you swallow, the epiglottis folds down to cover the entrance to the larynx, preventing food and liquids from entering your airway. If something does go wrong, your body quickly reacts with a cough to clear the path. The anatomy of your throat is an incredible balance of breathing, voice production, and protection. If you enjoyed this 3D journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos about the wonders of your body on Health Science 3D.